In a controlled studio, a rare flagship device is unveiled under dramatic lighting, its gleam rivaling a comet. The host explains the tech's innovations with crisp visuals, while the crowd murmurs at its price and potential. Then a measured teardown begins, revealing precision engineering, thermal pads, and a silicon heartbeat that powers tomorrow's games. Dramatic stress tests follow, showing bend, burn, and crash simulations that push limits without sensationalism. Finally, the device is respectfully recycled or destroyed, a cautionary tale about hype meeting responsibility.